Yes, a pop-up drink stand should absolutely offer refillable growlers because they boost customer loyalty, cut down on waste, and give your stand a steady stream of repeat business without much extra cost. Think of a growler like a big reusable jug for your drinks, kind of like a reusable water bottle but for lemonade, cold brew, or craft soda. Instead of a customer buying a brand new cup every single time, they buy the jug once and then they just come back and get it filled up again for a cheaper price. This is great for your stand because it means people keep coming back, and it feels like a fun little club they get to be part of. Something a lot of people do not realize is that growlers actually started in the beer world way back in the 1800s, when people would carry a small pail to the local brewery to get it filled fresh. You can borrow that same nostalgic feeling for your drink stand and make it feel special and old-fashioned, even if you are selling something like iced tea. A good actionable step is to sell the growler itself for around $15 to $20, then offer refills for almost half the price of a normal drink, so customers feel like they are getting a deal every time they return. One common mistake is not sanitizing the growlers properly between fills, which can cause bacteria buildup, so always rinse and inspect each jug closely before refilling it. Another thing people overlook is forgetting to brand the growler with your stand's name and logo, which is actually free walking advertisement every time someone carries it around town, so make sure it looks eye-catching. Lastly, some stands charge too much for the growler up front, which scares customers away, so keep that starting price low and make your money back through repeat refills instead. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.